I was waking up several times during the night, and I was looking for a solution to that. More than anything else, it was snoring. And so I was getting complaints from my wife. And so I thought I would just try and see whether Dr. Siman could. Dr. Siman's treatment worked beautifully. The first night I put his device in my mouth, I did not snore. The biggest change is instead of waking up 3 or 4 times during the night at the worst end of it, I'll perhaps get up once, sometimes even more rarely not get up at all. So it has been just really terrific. I wake up feeling much more rested. Okay, my wife is very appreciative. Thank you, Dr. Siman.